If you were in my group, I would ask you to take a time out, Mr. Martinez.
Judge, would you please admonish the witness to
Yes.
withhold those comments and ask that the
Ms.
jury
LaViolette.
disregard the outburst?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, disregard the witness's last statement. Ms. LaViolette, please just answer the questions.
And with regard to Mr. Alexander, isn't it true that one of the things that you know with regard to the Reagan-Housling instant messaging was that Mr. Alexander was exceedingly afraid because of the defendant's stalking behavior?
Overruled. You may.
I don't know that he's exceedingly afraid. I don't get...
Judge, may I then ask her what I think we'll need to approach?
Yes, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take the evening recess. Ms. LaViolette, you are still under oath. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Martinez, you may continue.
Ma'am, yesterday we finished off and we were talking about the Reagan-Housley instant message that you reviewed. Do you remember that?
Yes.
And in it, Mr. Alexander expressed that he was extremely fearful of the defendant because of her stalking behavior, correct?
He didn't say he was extremely fearful. No, he didn't.
Judge, I think we need to approach now. Reagan-Housley instant message, correct?
Yes, I did.
And there's an indication to the reader that Mr. Alexander was extremely afraid because of the stalking conduct by Jodi Arias, correct?
I don't see any behavior supporting his fear, Mr. Martinez. I see no behavior supporting that fear. And they were both laughing in the email as well.
You can tell, first of all, whether somebody is laughing on the other side of a text or of an instant message, ma'am? You can tell that?
There was just ha, ha, ha.
Not at that time, was there?
Right before that, as they were talking about.
Not at that time when he said that, correct?
No.
Judge, may I ask the question that we've been talking about?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask that you go back to the jury room for approximately 5 minutes. No more than 5 minutes. Please remember the admonition.
Please back to the jury.
We are at recess for 3 minutes. Ms. LaViolette, you may step down. Please be seated. The record will show the presence of the jury, the defendant, and all counsel. Mr. Martinez, you may continue.
Ma'am, you reviewed the Reagan-Housley instant message involving her and Mr. Alexander, correct?
Correct.
Isn't it true that Mr. Alexander was extremely afraid of the defendant, Jodi Arias, based on her stalking behavior?
He said,
No, please don't tell me what he said. Just answer my question.
he was afraid of her, yes,
Because of her stalking behavior, correct?
correct.